Hello children, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn EVS lesson number 25, Our State, Our Pride. After studying this lesson, you will be able to locate Karnataka on the map of India, and also you will be able to know the physical divisions of Karnataka state. Recognize the historical and famous natural resorts of our state. You will be able to develop an attitude to protect them by knowing their importance. You know that many districts together form a state. A country is an area which has such states together. For example, India. India is our country. I will show you the map of India. You have to observe carefully. And here, with the help of the map, you have to write the names of the states of India. Do you know how many states are there in India? Total number of states? Yes, 29 states. You have to write all the names in this. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in the country. Let's take a look at the states and their capitals. Observe the map. Okay, and see here, states and their capitals. From alphabetical letter A to W, all states names are given here and capitals are there. Are you observing? Okay. Total number of states they given here, isn't it? Do you know, children, in which direction Karnataka is situated in the map of India? Yes, south direction. Karnataka is our state. There are 30 districts in our state. The names of all the districts are given here. Observe carefully and just note down in your notebook. Now I think you understood India is our country and total number of states in India is 29 and totally 30 districts are there in Karnataka state. Isn't it? Are you observing? Okay. Now see the map. Here Karnataka surrounding so many states are given. I will give one example, okay? Here, Ramesh has listed the neighboring states of Karnataka and their directions. Observe the map. If they are wrong, write the correct answers. Here, just observe the map. In the direction map, you can see north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. But Ramesh wrote Maharashtra comes on east side. No, Maharashtra comes on north part. Are you observing? Okay. And he wrote Andhra Pradesh and Telangana comes on west part. But the answer is wrong. Andhra Pradesh comes on east part. Telangana comes on northeast part. Are you observing? Okay. And he wrote Kerala and Tamil Nadu comes on south part. Observe the direction map. Is it true? No. Kerala comes on south part. Kerala, okay. But Tamil Nadu, southeast part you have to write. Okay, children. And last, Goa. Here he wrote Goa comes on north part. But the correct answer is Goa. The direction of Goa is west part. Just observe this map. You can understand clearly. So, Andhra Pradesh, east part. Tamil Nadu, southeast part. Kerala, south part. Goa, west part. And Maharashtra, north part. Okay. So, again I am showing the direction map. Maharashtra, north side. Andhra Pradesh, east side. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, south side. Yes, and Goa, west part. By this map you can understand clearly. So he wrote some answers wrong. Okay, correct it. Each state has a special physical features. For example, hills, coastal areas, etc. I think you learnt in your previous classes. Physical features. On the basis of physical features and climate, our state is divided into 4 natural regions. Western coastal region, the coastal plain, it is also called coastal plain, Malnad region, northern plains and southern plains. Here they given some questions. You have to write the names of districts that comes under natural regions. 4 questions given. The districts of Western Coastal Region, Malnad region, Northern Plain region and Southern Plain region. Observe here. First one, the districts of Western Coastal Region. Udupi, Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada. Observe the map, you can understand. Udupi, Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada. Second one, the districts of Malnad region. Kodagu, Hasan, Chikkamangaluru, Shivamogga, Belagavi. By the map of Karnataka, you can understand where it comes. Okay. Third is the districts of Northern Plain region. Vijaypura, Kalburgi, Bidar, Bagalkote. Okay. Fourth one, the districts of Southern Plain region. Tumkur, Bangalore, Chikmagaluru, Kolar, Mandya, Mysore, Chamarajnagar. Understood, children? So, these are some of the questions given in the textbook. Observe the picture. Now, we will understand the districts of Western Coastal region. Okay? About climate and vegetation, occupation, main cities, minerals and some of the wild animals of Western Coastal region. First, the main cities of Western Coastal region is Karwar, Mangaluru, Udupi. Main minerals, iron and manganese. Wild animals, land animals such as bat, snake, jungle fowl, wild boar and woodpecker. Aquatic animals such as prawn, sea crab, fishes, starfish, shellfish and sea cucumber. Occupation and crops of this Western Coastal region is fishing is the main occupation. Paddy, coconut, areca nut, cashew nut are the important crops of this region. And last, climate and vegetation. Heavy rainfall area. Jackfruit, mango, nandi, honne, jambu are the main trees found here. Geographical features of this region. The area along the Arabian Sea on the west of the state. It is also called Konkana Coast. This is about 240 km in length. Understood, children? Now I will ask some questions. You have to answer that. First question. What is the other name of Western Coastal region? Second one. Which is the main occupation of the people of Western Coastal region? And also match the following set is given here. Write correct answers. Jungle fowl, shark, areca nut, iron, Karwar. Here B side, main city, mineral, bird, crop, aquatic animal. The correct answer is given here. Observe it. For the first question, Konkana coast is the answer. Second, fishing. And match the following set. See, jungle fowl, bird, shark, aquatic animal, areca nut, crop, iron, mineral. Karwar is the main city. Understood? Now I think you understood the directions and also the districts of some natural regions in that Western Coastal region. In the second part, we will know Malnad region, Northern Plain region, southern plain region, and also the main places of attraction. Okay. Thank you, children.